When purchasing a safe, most manufacturers are going to offer some type of warranty included in your purchase. Generally, different components of your safe are protected for different amounts of time. For example, a particular manufacturer might warranty the lock for 1 year, the paint for 5 years, and the mechanism or inner workings for 10 years. It varies greatly from one manufacturer to another. Where extra cost comes in is if you would like to extend your warranty. Some manufacturers offer the option to extend the warranty on the lock and other components, even as far as the lifetime of the safe. These options typically cost anywhere from $100 to $150. Another addition you might find helpful to extend the life of your safe is a maintenance plan. Now, I can't speak to what other options may exist, as maintenance plans are directly from your dealer of choice, but I can speak to what we offer. At Spartan, we offer maintenance plans that range from 3 years to a lifetime maintenance contract. The purpose of these plans is to avoid a functional failure, like your safe not opening, and also make sure that you're utilizing your factory warranty to its full extent. Starting at around $100, you can have additional peace of mind, knowing that your safe will probably outlast you. We know that a good safe is an investment, and we hope that this information will help you make the most of your purchase. I'm Chase, and we hope to see you soon online or at a Spartan Safe showroom near you.